Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged all the states to work together in building India as the global center of science and technology in the Amrit Kal. The conclave is being organized to strengthen the center-state coordination and collaboration mechanism in promoting innovation and entrepreneurship. Prime Minister addressed the gathering after inaugurating a two-day center-state science conclave at Science City, Ahmedabad through video conferencing. He said there is a need to take research related to science and technology to the local level to address the problems faced by the people.
इस अमृत काल में भारत को रिसर्च और इनोवेशन का ग्लोबल सेंटर बनाने के लिए हम सब ने एक साथ मिलकर के अनेक मोर्चों पर काम करना है। अपनी साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी से जुड़ी रिसर्च को हमें लोकल स्तर पर लेकर जाना है।
Seminar on the book Modi